In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bing Image Creator. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to sign in, what to type, and how to save the results to your device, all in a clear and simple flow. First, open your browser and go to https://www.bing.com. On the Bing homepage, look just below the main search bar. You should see an option or icon labeled Image Creator, often placed alongside other quick shortcuts. If it doesn't pop out right away, don't worry. It can sometimes be tucked into a menu, such as under the Images section, where you'll find a link to Image Creator or a similarly named option. Once you see it, click Image Creator, and the dedicated interface will open. Before you can generate anything, make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to sign in here. This is required to create AI images, so confirm you're signed in before continuing. A quick way to tell is to look for your profile icon in the top area of the page. Now, you're ready to describe what you want to see. In the text box, type a clear prompt, which is simply a description of the image you want. Think of it as giving instructions to an artist. For example, you might write, "A serene mountain lake at sunrise in watercolor style." You can include the subject, the setting, the mood, the lighting, and even the art style. Specific details help the tool understand your vision. When your prompt looks good, click Create. The system will process your request, and after a short moment, you'll see AI-generated results appear. Typically, you'll get several variations based on your description. Take a moment to scan the options and notice how different versions interpret the same idea. If one catches your eye, click it to expand for a closer look. From there, you can save or download the image to your device. If none of the results match what you had in mind, return to the text box, refine your wording, and click Create again. Adjusting a few words, like changing the time of day, the style, or the mood, often leads to a more accurate outcome. That's all there is to it. Start at bing.com, open Image Creator, sign in, describe what you want, hit Create, and then view or download the results you like. With a clear prompt and a few iterations, you'll be generating great AI images in no time.